What's up, guys? We're here doing ARB Bumper Install on a 5th Gen 4Runner. Here with my buddy Michael. Michael, wave hi. Right.
What's up, everybody?
Yeah, we're just gonna do this thing quick and right. Go. We will also be installing the worn winch inside. All right, we got all the gear laid out. Also, this is fun, bag of bolts. All right, it's all taped and marked. Got the grill taken out. We're just removing pieces and getting ready to cut.
There she is.
Bumper off.
Safety glasses.
Yeah. Safety first, my friends. Safety first. There it is. All right, so it's darker and colder.
We had pizza.
And we pulled into the garage a little bit. We needed more light. And we're in next phase, I suppose. Here we go. All right, it's time to mount the winch inside the bumper.